वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तादुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
ऊधुपधाया गोगः
हदाय गोः
गुपूदूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
भूदुपनिपनिभ्यः
ऋतेरियं
ऋतेरीयं
कमेर्णिं
कमेर्णि
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् भददांशभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
वा भ्राशब्लाशभ्रमुक्रमुक्लमुत्रसी त्रुटिलशः
आभ्राशभाषभ्रमुक्रमुक्रमुत्रसि त्रुटिलशः
ष्टिवुक्लमुचमांशिति
ष्टिवुक्लमुचमांशिति
क्रमः परस्मैपदेषु
परस्मैपदेषु
इषुगमीयमां चः
क्षुगम्यमां चः
पाघ्राद्मास्तां नादान् दृश्यर्ति सर्ति शतसदां पिब जिग्रदमितिष्ठमनयच्छ पश्यर् दौशीयसीदाः
अघ्राद्वास्तां नादान् दृश्यार्थी सर्ति सदसदा पिबज्जिघ्रधमतिष्ठमनयाच्च पश्यर्च धौषीयसीदाः
दंशसञ्जस्वञ्जां शपी
दंशसञ्जस्वजं शपि
रञ्जेश्च
रञ्जेश्च
रतिजभोरची
रघिजभोरचि
कृपोरोलः.
रोलः.
Now, these four sutras are new additions, which we require for the derivation of Shnu, that is, sorry, Shru Dhatu. Shru Dhatu, which is replaced by Shru and also Ganavikarna, is Shnu. So, therefore, we require that. And Akshadhatu also, which have optional Shnu, therefore, that for that also it is required. Okay. So, therefore, I have added these four sutras. We will be seeing that. So, that's why I said these all these new additions. So, I will write in our formatted sutras and then I'll revise the document and send you later. Okay. Achishnu dhatu bruvam ivoriyang vangau. Vangau.
यो निर्यो
Ivoriyang vangau.
युवोरियङ्गो
Ushtuvo sarvadhatuke.
विष्णुवो सर्वधातुके
Utascha pratyadam संयोगपूर्वात्.
कुतश्च प्रत्ययादसंयोगपूर्वात्
प्रत्ययात असंयोगपूर्वात् संधि. उतश्च प्रत्ययाद असंयोगपूर्वात्. लोपश्चान्यन्यतरस्यां वोः.
लोपश्चास्यान्यतरस्याम् ओः
श्रवश्र च.
शुभश्र च
Already this sutra we have seen. You can see the number 212. Vadigana Sutra starts with 269. So 212 means it is in Tinganta 03. Okay. Already which we have covered. Then 2113 also. Akshonya Tarasyam.
प्रोन्नतरस्याम्
So if you see that document, it is done. But again, we have taken this, done with a lot of more example, all the examples elaborately. Tanu Karane Takshaha.
करणे
These three sutras are covered. Just the meaning with a simple example in the previous document. Now, in this document, the new document, along with these three sutras, these sutras find application in the derivation of the forms of the Sarvadhatuka forms of Shudhatu and Akshadhatu. Therefore, these four sutras are required. That's why I added four sutras. And again, I have taken these three sutras that all the forms are done. You will see it now. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, before that, we know the Adantanga, the Pratyaya is Tiptas, the Siptas, the Mipasmas, right? This, you must be having this document. I sent before this Adantanga, Sarvadhatuka, Nimaha. What about Anadantangas? Anadanta, that is Anadantanga also, it is there for each, but I have not, maybe not done like this, but it is there here. Here itself it is there. Okay, I'll show you now. Why we require Anadantanga now? Why should we discuss? Because the Shru Dhatu,
Sure.
I tell you the context also, so that you know why it is. The Shru Dhatu, which we are going to see now. These four dhatus, four sutras we are going to see in detail. And this dhatu already covered in the previous document, the sutra list document, and the elaboration also it is there. But here examples are given in detail. Shivashrucha. Remember, Kattarisha and Divadibhyaha Shan, Tudadibhyaha Shaha, all those things we have done. Remember?
Yes.
So all the documents here, 212 means, the numbers are there, you can check. So now here, the same thing, I have copied that, but the only thing is examples I have done elaborately. So we will see this, and then I will tell you what Anadantanga. The Anadantanga also. In fact, the Anadantanga, first we derive. So based on Anadantanga, some changes happen. I will show that. We'll see. Sutra is 3174. Shuvaha Shucha. Two things happen. What is Shuvaha? Shashti Vibhakti of Shru Dhatu. Shru Dhatu is Upadeshika Dhatu, Shavane, in the sense of listening, first conjugation. Okay.
Yes.
And that will take the Ganavikana Pratyaya Shnu, Shnu coming as Anuvritti from the sutra, the previous sutra. What sutra, previous sutra? Divadibhyaha.
No.
Swadibhyaha Shnu, right? Swadibhyaha Shnu, that is the previous sutra, 3173. You can see the sutra pata. Okay. And Kartari Sarvadhatika, of course, it is under that also comes Kartari Sarvadhatika. When a Sarvadhatika Pratyaya follows in Kartari, right? Then the Ganavikarana will be Shnu, even though the Dhatu is first conjugation, therefore, instead of Shap, it will take Shnu, number one, right? And also the Dhatu, Shru Dhatu will be replaced by Shru. Understand the difference between Shru and Shru. Already we talked about. Shru is Shakara, Repa, U, that is conjunct. Whereas Shru is Shakara and Rikara, not a conjunct, right? So Kartari Sarvadhatike Shruvaha Dhatoho Paraha Shnu Pratyaha Bhavati Shucha. That is Shruvaha Shru will be replaced by Shru and Shnu Pratyaha Cha Shap Vishaye in the place of Shap, which is in Siddhanta Kaumadi. In the place of Shap, Shnu Pratyaya will come. Shapaha Apavadaha. And the Shnu is Ganavikarana Pratyaya, which is what Pratyaya? Shnu. Shnoho means Shashti Vakti of Shnoho. Shnu. Shnoho Nitva Dhatoho Gunaha Na. Shnu Dhatu is, Shnu Pratyaya is Sarvadhatukam Arada Dhatukam.
Sarvadhatukam.
Sir, we are completed the entire first conjugation. The whole Ramayana has been taught. And then what is the relationship between Rama and Sita? Wake up. I think still sleep hangover is there. Shnu, what pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka. Shnu, Ganavikarana. Content is no. Shakara is interletter. Think shit. Ardhatuka. Come on, sir. Rama, you have to wake up. Still, you have not come out from sleep. At least he is woken up. He was still sleeping. Come on. Shnu is Saradhatuka Pratyaya. Okay.
Yes.
Ishvara. When a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows Kartari, then Swadibhyaha Dhatoho Paraha Shnu Pratyaya Bhavati. That is the previous sutra. But this sutra, what it does is, Shrush iti Shavane, that is Dhatu, is the first conjugation. I am reading from what we have already read, what we have already covered before, the previous document. Not anything new, okay. So Shru Shavane is first conjugation Dhatu, but what happens? Asma Dhatoho, first conjugation Dhatu, Kartari Shab by that sutra, Shab Pratyaya will come. Kartari Sarvadhatuke. But what happens by this sutra? वर्तमानसूत्रेण तस्य अपवादरूपेण श्नु प्रत्ययः भवति diyate, and also the dhatu also getting replaced by shri, like pa is replaced by pib, gra by jigr, we saw the long and 11 dhatus and 11 respective adesha. Similarly, understand?
Yes.
So shru is a conjunct one, and shri, which is the adesha, it's not a conjunct. All this just for minute details are given. So shru, in the place of shru, shri will be the adesha, and in the place of the Ganavikarna Pratyaya Shab, Shnu will come, and Shnu is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Okay. Now the point is Shru plus Lat. I'm just doing the Nakara forms. Corresponding to Purusha and Vachana, take Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Tip Pratyaya. Shru plus Tip Pratyaya. Tip Pratyaya is what Pratyaya? You can tell. Don't worry. Tell.
Sarvadhatka.
Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Kartari Sarvadhatike Pratyaya Pare, then what happens?
Shab comes.
Shab comes, right?
Yes.
So this one I have to cut it and put it before. Kartari Sarvadhatike Shab. But it's an apavada to this. Here what will come? Shnu will come. Shivashrucha by this sutra. So Shnu will come. Ganavikarna is Shnu. And also Shru also replaced by Shri. Two things happen by the sutra. Okay. Dhatu is replaced by Shri. Dhatu Adesha happens. And Ganavikarna also Shap is replaced by Shnu. Okay. Now Shnu Pratyaya. Shri is the Anga for Shnu. And Shri plus Shnu is the Anga for Tip. Okay. Can Shnu do Angakarya, Anga ending with equalator, Rasva equalator? Yes or no?
No.
Why? Why?
Because it's a bit.
Apit. Sarvadhatukam Apit will be Nitvat. Therefore, Angakarya cannot happen. Right? Therefore, we have Shrinu plus Tip. I will add one more step here. Therefore, we have Shrinu plus Tip. Now, Shrinu is the Anga with regard to Tip. Can Tip do Angakarya on the Anga? Yes. Anga ending with U, equalator. Therefore, U will become O. Sarvadhatuka Adhatuka Yoga by that sutra. Right?
Yes.
Shrinu. After that, next step, tell me.
Nakar will be more than you.
Exactly. That is by what sutram?
This is
What sutram?
Adesha Pratyayoho. No, sorry.
Adesha Pratyayoho. Come on, I think I have to start from the very basic, I think.
Sorry.
Sandhi onwards I have to do again.
Oh,
Natvam by what sutra? 8-4? Not 8-3. Rashabhyam no naha samanapade, and there is a Vartika to that. Zulavarnacheti Vaktavyam. The sutra pata, it is there. Artikam to 8-4-1.
Rashabhyam no.
Vikara also will to be included. Vartikara says. Therefore, Natam happens. Therefore, Shrinoti. Don't say Shrunoti. It is wrong. Shrinoti. Many people, they do the mistake. Dhatu, Aupadeshika Dhatu is Shru. Conjunct. Chakara, Repa. Shri is non-conjunct. Shrinoti. Right? Badrankarne Bishrunuyama Devaha. Not Shrunuyama Devaha. This is another problem in all Vedic people chanting. They will say Shrunuyama, Shrunuyama. But I don't think it is, even in Chandasam also it is not Shrunuyama. Sriniyama Devaha only. The chanting. There is no Chandasam there. It is Sriniyama. But people will, you will see people chanting Shrunuyama Devaha, Shru. U sound will be there. They will round their lips. That is wrong. Okay. Shrinoti. Already we have seen this. What is the new I'm doing? No, it will new means it's going to our sutra will the fourth sutra what I told it will come in with other lakaras. Now the point here is so therefore for all the lakaras with regard to ting pratyaya, the anga will be ending with what letter?
Ukar.
it means anga will not be a adanta anga, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
What is adanta anga? Adanta anga is with regard to ting pratyas, anga ending with akara. That happens only for 1, 4, 6, 10. First conjugation, fourth conjugation, sixth conjugation, and 10th conjugation. Nich will come and nich will take shab. Therefore, anga will be ending with akara. Adanta anga. Remember?
Yes.
Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, this is taking fifth conjugation, Ganavikarana. Therefore, it will be anadanta anga, not adanta anga. So, that is the context. That is where I was telling this. The pratyas, you can see. I've given all pratyas here. Adanta, anadanta. All are there. For lat lakara, adanta anga pratyaya is titaha anti, sitata, mivaha maha, te ite ante, se ite dve, ye vahe mahe. For adanta anga, 1, 4, 6, 10. Now, my question is, what is the pratyaya for anadanta anga? Can you tell?
Titaha ati.
Titaha?
Ati. Titaha ati.
Ati. No, sir. Atmane padeshu anataha, not here. Atmane padeshu anataha. That is only in the case of Atmane pada. Parasme pada titaha anti, sitahata, mivahamaha. It will be same. Okay. Whereas here what will happen in Atmane pada, te is okay. Where that is why I have marked in this color, ajadi pratyaya, haladi pratyaya. This color is ajadi pratyaya. Ajadi pratyaya, what will happen? In fact, it was atam has become ite. Atam has become ate and a is replaced by a. What happened to a? Atam. A is replaced by.
This is ato yeyaha. Will be replaced by.
Original pratyaya is tiptashi, siptasta, mitmasvasta, atam. That is the original pratyaya, right?
Yes.
Ta atam ja, ta satam, dum, itvagi maging. What happened to atam?
Replaced by e.
Atam. Replaced by yes. What is the sutra?
Ato yeyaha.
Ato ye yaha. Adanta uttarasya. Then that akara is there. Rakara is replaced by ear. And this is atmanepadi, latlakara. Titahatmanepadam, tere also is applied. Therefore, it becomes ite. Ate first it is. Then a is replaced by ear. Yakarasi lopaha. Lopo verbally also happens. Therefore, ite you get for adantanga, right?
Yes.
For anadantanga, it will be ate only. Originally, it is ate. For adantanga, it becomes ite. Understand? We have seen in ato yeyaha. Ato yeyaha, what is the number?
7 to 80.
7 2. It is not ato yeyaha, ato nitaha. The next sutra. Ato nitaha, for which ato yeyaha is anuvritti. Yes or no?
Oh.
Vachaspati, remember?
Yes.
Atkaranta of the Nit Pratyaya. This is Sarvadhataka Apit Pratyaya, therefore Nit Pratyaya. Akara of the Pratyaya. Pratyaya beginning with Akara, Dirgha Akara, when following the Adantanga, will be replaced by Ya. When following the Adantanga. Therefore, in Adantanga, it becomes Ite, and all we have seen. Therefore, my point is, I'm not teaching anything new, I'm telling the same thing. For anadantanga, it will be te, ate, and ante also will become atmane padeshu anataha. 7-1. 7-1. 7-1. Jontaha. After that, we have the sutra. Jontaha adabhyastat atmane padeshu anataha. 7-1-5. In the case of atmane pada pratyaya, when following the adantanga, that ja will be replaced by G is anti, right? Jontaha. whether it's a jakara is replaced by anataha. Atmanepadeshu and Atmanepadeshu anataha. Anataha meaning what? In the case of Atmanepada, jakara will be replaced by anadanta. For anadantanga, it is replaced by at. Jakara replaced by at. So it is, it's not ante, it is ate. Therefore, three places you have to note. For anadantanga, it is ate, ate, and here it will be ate. Is it clear?
Clear.
Atmanepadeshu anataha, that is the sutra. Please check. We have seen all those. In case we don't remember, I can show you to again. But I have to go move on this document, that document will be confusing. That is why I'm not moving. So these are the pratyas. This document is with you. Already I have sent. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
So this a alone is replaced by ya, then yakara goes away. Ite you get te ite. And jontaha when you apply for adantanga, ante. And this is anadantanga. Which one? The dhatu, we are saying the dhatu shru dhatu becoming shru and taking ganavikana pratyaya. Therefore, these pratyas you have to add. Anyway, shru dhatu, thank God, shru dhatu is parasamipadi dhatu, not atmanepadi. So we don't have to worry about this. But other dhatus will come later. For that, we need atmanepadi pratyas. Atmanepada pratyas. Understand? Yes. So for shru plus, no, now lat lakara we will see, and then lang lakara, then other lakaras. In between, some sutra also will come. Therefore, Shrinoti is fine. Shrinoti. Then Shru plus tas, what is the form?
Shrunutaha.
Shrinutaha. Shrinutaha. Same process. The guna will not happen because followed by Saradhatu Kapit Pratyaya. Shru plus Anti. What's the form? Shru will be replaced by Shru and Ganavikana will be Shnu.
Yes.
Can Shnu cause Angakarya? It cannot cause Angakarya. Therefore, Shrinu plus Anti.
Shrunvanti.
We get
Shrunvanti.
what Sandhi?
Yan Sandhi.
Ayat Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi we think, but it is not Yen Sandhi. Something else applies. I've just written Yen Sandhi now. I'm going to change it. Okay.
Oh.
Don't worry. This is not Yen Sandhi. I'm going to change. Yen Sandhi will not apply. One special rule is there. That we will see later. That's what we're going to see. The U is replaced by Vakara. It's not Yen Sandhi. No, it's not Yen Sandhi. It's Angakarya. That we will see. Now, next one is, what is the next process? Please focus here. What is the next step? What will happen to Apadanta Nakara?
Murdani will be Murdani.
This Nakara will become Murdaniya, not this
Yes.
Nakara.
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Follow
Because-
by Shah.
Because this Nakara is followed by what letter? Vakara is not a Jal letter, not a Jal. Whereas this Nakara followed with Takara is a Jal letter. Therefore, before applying 841, that is Avartika to 841, we have to apply Nascha Padantasya Jari. By that, this Nakara will become Anuswara. Okay. This Nakara cannot become because followed by Vakara. Vakara is not a Jal letter. Now that Nakara will become Mudani Nakara by 841, Partikam to 841. Now this Anuswara is followed by what letter? A letter. Therefore Parasvarna will happen. Therefore Shrinvanti iti Rupam. Understand?
Mhm.
Yes. Understood.
Therefore Shrinoti, Shruntaha, Shrinvanti. Now here, why not Yansandi? Because we have these sutras. These sutras will apply. Which sutra will apply? In fact, this sutra will apply. I will teach you from this sutra. Therefore, understand this sutra also. It's all connected. This sutra also, when we learn, it is useful for akshadhatu, etc. And this also will be useful. So if you learn this sutra, it is useful for the fifth conjugation. In fact, fifth conjugation is done, you can say. You understand up to this? Follow?
Understood. Understood.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So anadantanga, only lat lakara I'm doing. Other lakaras for shu dhatu we will do. Now shu dhatu is like fifth conjugation dhatu. Okay. Therefore we have to know this. Shu dhatu is like a fifth conjugation because gana vikarana is shnu. Therefore it is like a fifth conjugation dhatu. Now let us take 6477. See the sutra pata. Please see the sutra pata. You have to use sutra pata. Okay. You should have the physical book. You see the sutra pata, the sutra 6477.
Yes.
6477 under which adhikara, important adhikara?
Angasya.
Angasya. Read the sutra. Rama, read.
Previous sutra of 647.
6477, read.
Achi shnu dhatu dhruvan yuvoriyung nuvama.
Yuvoriyang uvang now. Now, you tell me what is the vibhakti of this? What are the things talked about here?
Shnu dhatu dhruvan. This is
Here the Gana Vikarana Shnu is talked about. Shnu is ending with what letter? U.
Shnu.
And Dhatu. And a Pratipadikam, Bru also. Bru the Ukarantaha Strilingaha Bru Shabda. Bru eyebrow. Bruhu Bru Bruvaha. Now here some Sandhi is that. That is Yavoho. What is Yavoho? Yakara and Voho. What is that?
Whoa.
Like what Shabda it is? Voho.
Like,
What Shabda is that? What is a Pratipadikam? What is a word? What is that it is?
like Marutoho.
Huh?
Eve. Yakaram Bakara. Eve.
Ikara and Ukara.
Like
Ikara and Ukara. What Sandhi will happen? E will be replaced by? E will be replaced by N. You will have U. What is the? And two things are there. Therefore, Ikara, Ukara, Tayoho. Shashti Bhakti of U would be
Oh.
Yuvoho, like Guruvoho. Yuvoho.
Yes.
That's what it is there. Understand?
Yes.
So U is the Pratipadikam. U means it stands for Ikara and Ukara. Of the Dhatu ending with Ikara or Ukara. That is Ikara and the Dhatu, Ukara and the Dhatu. And as well as the Shnu which is ending with what? Ukara. And Bru is ending with Ukara. They are talked about. But we are not interested in this. We are not interested in Ikara and Ukara and the Dhatu also. But we are talking about Shnu because Ganavikarna for the Shru is Shnu. So the Shnu which is ending with U, Achi is what Vibhakti? When followed by Ajadi Vibhakti Ajadi Pratyaya, right?
Yes.
When followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, then Ikara is replaced by Ya. That's what the sutra says. The sutra is not applicable in the case of Shru. In the case of Shru, something else applied. But the sutra also, we need to know, therefore we know. Ikara is replaced by Ya and Ukara is replaced by Uva. U. Understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Dhatu ending with Ikara, Ukara. Ikara anta dhatu or Ukara dhatu when followed by the Pratyaya beginning with Ach, that Ikara will be replaced by Ya, Ukara will be Uva. And Shnu is the Gana Vikarana. When followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, the U will be replaced by Uv. That is the rule. Now, let us see in detail. This is one. Okay. You follow, right? This one? It's clear? Now, 6487 is that. Rama, you read?
6487.
Vachaspati, you read. Sorry, I read by mistake. Vachaspati, you read. 6487.
Ho Shnuvoho Sarvadhatuke.
Yes. So when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, and it has Anuvruti of Achi, that is Ajadi, Achi goes Anuvruti up to 100. When Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, right? Who is a Dhatu? Who Dhatu? We are not interested. And Shnu, yes, Shnu is we are interested, right? What will happen to the Shnu? Shnu will be replaced by the N coming as Anuvritti. Please see here, N coming as Anuvritti from 81. So when Ajari Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, that Ukara of Shnu will be replaced by N. You understand?
Yes.
Rama, clear? You follow here?
Is possible to repeat?
Shnu, that Ukara of Shnu will be replaced by N when followed by Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Sarvadhatuke is there, Achi coming as Anuvritti from that Sutra 6477. So when Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Ukara of Shnu will be replaced by N. N means which letter? Who will be replaced by? Vakara. Understand?
Vakara. Yes.
Yes or no? Do you follow?
I follow, but this seems like Yan Sandhi.
It seems like N Sandhi. This is Angasya Adhigara, not N Sandhi. This is Anga Karya.
Oh.
Is it clear, Vachaspati?
Yes.
But you have to ask question. How can be clear? What did I say? 6477.
Yes, this one is telling one thing, and the other one is telling another.
Again, I am saying another thing. Is it not contradictory?
Contradictory. Yes.
6477. Please see Sutrapata. 6477. I said when Ajadi Pratyaya follows in Vishnu, that U is replaced by Uva. Uvangadesha, right? That is what I said.
Yes.
6477. And 6487, what I say, that Shnu, that Ukara of Shnu, when followed by Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, replaced by Yan. Now, what will you apply? Which one will you apply? And you are saying it is clear. What is clear? Nothing is clear, huh?
Yes.
Now, the question you have to understand here. See the Sutra 6482. 6482, there, do you see Asanyoga Purvasya? The word Asanyoga, that is coming as Anuvritti for 6487. Therefore, please listen carefully. When Ukara of Shnu is preceded by a non-conjunct, then Yanadesha will apply. It means in 6477, it can be when preceded by a conjunct, then Uvangadesha will come. That's the difference. Two sutras we have Shnu and followed by Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. Those things are same. Adeshas are different. It means some other conditions must be different. What is that condition? In the case of 6477, the Ukara of Shnu is preceded by a conjunct. Whereas in the case of 6487, Ukara of Shnu is preceded by a non-conjunct. You understand?
Understand.
I will repeat later. Therefore, now here what will happen? Now coming back here, Shnu plus Anti. Please tell here. Now, here Shnu is the right. Shakara is it letter. Ukara of Shnu preceded by, you can consider Nakara plus U, right? That's what Shnu is. Ukara is preceded by what letter? It's a conjunct or non-conjunct?
Non-conjunct.
Non-conjunct. Therefore, N will apply. Therefore, what will apply?
6487.
Therefore, here what will apply? I just write
Shnu.
Nakara plus U for our understanding. Okay. Therefore, 6487 will apply. In case if it is preceded by a conjunct, then 6477 will apply. You want an example for 6477? I'll give later. It will come. Or I can tell now itself. You understand? This is Angakarya. Now the question comes. Please see. 6177 is Yan Sandhi. 6487 is Angakarya. Both ordains Yan only. Which will you apply? 6477 or 6177?
6487.
Angakarya is stronger. First you have to do Angakarya and then only Sandhikarya.
Oh, okay.
Right? That is the logic. We have seen. It's not new. How do I say? Suppose Dhatu, Bu Dhatu, in the case of the Bu Dhatu we have done. That is Bu plus Shap plus Tif. Content of Shap is A. Do we do Angakarya or do Sandhikarya? We replace U by Vakara.
No. Angakarya.
Bu become Bo. Angakarya first and then only Ayadi Sandhi we do. The same logic here also, right? Angakarya is stronger. By 6177, that is Yan Sandhi, Yan is ordained. By 6487 also Yan is only, Yan is ordained. But this is 64 section. That is why I keep saying 64 is Angasya, Adhikara, important Adhikara, up to 74. We follow 5 sections, it spreads out. Spreading up to 5 sections. Therefore, 67 is applied. Why is 6487 not 6477? Because Ukara of Shnu is preceded by a non-conjunct. Therefore, right? I'll give another example for preceded by a conjunct. Then what will happen? For example, you take Shakdhatu. Shakdhatu, fifth conjugation itself. Shak plus Shnu plus Anti. In the case of this, what happens? Shak plus Shnu. Content is Shnu. Nakara plus U. The Shnu, Ukara of Shnu is preceded by
Conjunct.
Then
therefore 6487 or 6477.
77.
U is replaced by Uv. Therefore we have Vakara plus A is Va, Nakara plus U is U. Shaknuvanti is what you get. Otherwise you will have Anishta Rupam. You will have Shakara. Suppose if you do Yan Sandhi, what form you will have? Akara, then Vakara, then you will have form like this, Vanti. You will have like this. This is not the form, right? Understand?
Yes.
So, simple understanding, you can understand like this. 6477. By that, in the place of Ikara, Iyang Adesha, in the place of Ukara, Uvang Adesha happens when, for our case here, what we are saying is the Shnu. The Ukara of Shnu preceded by a conjunct, then this Adesha will happen. That in this case, only U will come. Ukara is replaced by U. And 6487 is where Shnu is there, Nakara plus U, and U is preceded by a non-conjunct, then replace it by Yan. Yan means Vakara. Understand? This is what 6477 and 6487. Is it clear?
Clear challenge, but one doubt. This young Uvan, now this Nakara is only for Ucharana?
Nicha Antyadesha, don't forget, Paribhasha. Alone Tesya, Nicha, not entire Nu is replaced. The last letter, which is U, is replaced by Nicha paribhasha, sir. Alontyasya, nicha, anekachit sarvasya. Forgot. Adekhe parasya.
No, but meaning in this sutra 6477.
Yeah. U is replaced by the sutra, it says uvang. Nakara is the letter and it is uvang. A is the letter. Content is uv. Now, this being a Ngit Adesha, and this is a Sthani, will it replace the entire Sthani? No, because it is a Ngit Adesha, it will replace the last letter, which is U. U is replaced by Uv, right?
Okay. This is the purpose. Understand?
Okay, now, therefore, here 6177 is not applied, not in Sandhi, 6487. Is it clear? Now, let us see the Sutra 6487 as well as 6477. I'll explain that and then we'll come back to Shudhatu. I'll put it in our format. I have not done. But you can understand. Achi is what vibhakti.
Tami.
7-1.
Okay, that you can split. Don't see the website and all. Just see. Do it on your own. Achi is what vibhakti?
Tami.
7-1.
Saptami vibhakti. It means what? Pratyaya follows a dhatu. Therefore, ajadi pratyaya. Right? And shnu, that is what we are interested. Dhatu and all, we will see fifth conjugation later. And bru is shabda for these three words. Bruam. What vibhakti is this? Shashti vibhakti Bhagavachanam.
6. Yes, 6.
But it is the Sthani is Yoho is a Sthani. That is Ikara, Ukara. I already told how this word comes. Pratipadikam is you. You is when you decline, like Guru Shabda, Guru Voho, Yoho. What is you? You is E plus U. E plus U, what is the Sandhi? E will be replaced by Yakara, Yakara plus U. That is Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Dhatu. Understand?
Yes.
Therefore, that is our Shashti Bhakti. The Ikaranta, Ukaranta of the Dhatu, of Shnu, of Bru. Bru is already U. Shnu is already U. That's fine. Dhatu could be Ikara, Ukara. That is what is that, right? Then here we have U as well, sorry, E as well as U. Two are there. Ikara will be replaced by here. What is Adesha? Yang, Uvang, and it is Dvivachanam, therefore no. So yang Akara plus O is no. Yang Uvang, no. This is 1, 2. Ikara will be replaced by yang. Ukara is replaced by Uvang. Understand?
Yes.
With this, please go through the sutra. Important sutra is this. Now you read this. Ajadi pratyaye pare shno ityasya. Then dhatu sanyakasya for dhatu tata bru ityasya. Ivarnanta uvarnantasya angasya. Anga ending with ikara ukara. That could be dhatu or bru, or that could be the anga ending with shnu. That ukara is ikara if e or u, whatever it is. If e is replaced by yang, u is replaced by uvang. Here there is no conjunct is mentioned. How do I know conjunct? Because 6487 we have non-conjunct as anuvritti. Therefore, for this, it must be a conjunct. We can infer. Not given in the sutra. Please see. 6487 Ushno Sarvadhatake, for which Asanyoga Purvasya is there. And therefore, for this, it must be Sanyoga Purvasya. We can infer. If it is a non-conjunct consonant, that Ukara of Shno is replaced by Yan. If it is a conjunct, then what? Then 6477 will apply. Yang Uvanga will apply. Uvang will apply for Shno. Right? Makes sense?
Yes.
Therefore, for our understanding, I have written conjunct. That will be easy, no? When preceded by a conjunct consonant, the Ukara of Shnu will get Uvang Adesha. That is what is required for us. Okay. So now there's a one catch here. You can understand. Ukara of Shnu, that is, Ukara of Shnu is, that is, Nu, preceded by a conjunct, when we say, then Nakara plus U, Nakara preceded by a conjunct. Means what precedes here? Shnu is a Ganavikarana Pratyaya. So what will precede here? Come on, think and tell, sir. Huh?
Consonant.
Consonant, okay. It's very good. Consonant. That must be consonant. Of what? For Dhatu. So Dhatu must be in a Halanta Dhatu. Understand? Dhatu must be ending with a consonant, not Ajadi Dhatu, not like a Ru Dhatu or no, that Ajanta Dhatu. It must be a Halanta Dhatu, like Shak Dhatu, for example. That is what I have written here. All these things are not given in the Sutra. These are all we have to invent. It means not given in the Vritti and all. Kashika, this by study I have I inferred. That's why I'm teaching you. So it's purely inference. It's not a big discovery, but we can understand. For Alanta Dhatu, if it is Ajanta Dhatu, then it will be a non-conjunct. If it is non-conjunct, then what will happen? For example, Chi Dhatu. Then U will be replaced by?
Young.
U will replace by Vakara. By N Sandhi will apply. Understand?
Yes.
For example, Chi Dhatu, fifth conjugation, Chi plus Nu plus Anti. Here, Nu,
Yes.
Nakara plus U. U is preceded by a non-conjunct because bubble is Ajanta Dhatu. Sorry, Dhatu is Ajanta Dhatu. Therefore, Ukara plus A, will you replace by Uvang or will you replace by Yan? What is his answer?
Young.
Yeah.
That's said. Vakara. Vakara plus Anti, Vanti. Therefore, Chinvanti. That is a form. Chi Dhatu. Understand?
Yes.
So, these are all very useful information. So, therefore, when preceded by a conjunct, we can infer that Ukara of Shnu will get Uvang Adesha and the Dhatu has to be Halanta, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one example. I've given a Shaka example. I've given another example for fifth conjugation. Aap. Aap means Aaplu, to gain. Fifth conjugation Dhatu. A plus Anti. Anti is Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam. What is the next step? Tell me. What is the Sutra? Aap is fifth conjugation. Therefore, Swadibhyaha Shnuhu Kartari Sarvadhatike Swadibhyaha Shnu Pratyaya will come. Aap is the Anga for Shnu and Aap plus Shnu is the Anga for Anti. Can Shnu do any Anga Karya and on Aap? Yes or no?
No.
No.
Neither we have Iganta nor we have Rasaikapada. And also Pratyaya is not Sarvadhatuka Pit, it is Apit. Not possible at all. Therefore, just to join Aap plus Nu, Aap Nu. Now, this Shnu, that Nu, ending with U, that Ukara is preceded by Pakara and Nakara, conjunct. Therefore, when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, the Ukara of Shnu will be replaced by what letter?
One.
Uvang. Therefore, the form is Apnuvanti. Understand? Therefore, we have
Understand.
for dhatus ending with consonant, Shakdhatu, Abdhatu, etc. We will have Uvang Adesha when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. For dhatu like Chi Dhatu and as well as Shri Dhatu ending with vowel, the Shnu, that U will be replaced by Yan Adesha, Vakara. Understand?
Understand.
So Uvang Adesha by 6477, that's what we are seeing. And Yan Adesha by 6487. Is it clear, the sutra?
Clear.
Important sutra, you have to remember this. Then, Ushnuva Sarvadhavatike 6487. Asanyoga is anuvritti. So, Aneka Changasya Tata Shnu Etayoho Asanyogo Purvasya Varnasya Ajadi Sarvadhatuka Prate Pare Yanadesha Bhavati. So, Hudatu Aneka Changasya That's okay. Anga ending with anekach. And shnu is what is important for us. Shnu, ukara of shnu is preceded by a non-conjunct. It means a dhatu must be a ajanta dhatu. When followed by ajadi vibhakti pratyaya, the ukara of shnu will be replaced by yan sandhi. Like example, su dhatu, which is fifth conjugation. Su. Su plus anti. What's the next step?
No.
Kartari sarvadhatike shap, but that is shap is negated by swadibhyaha shnuhu.
Swadesh.
Therefore, su and shnu. Can shnu do angakarya on su? Yes or no?
No.
No.
Not possible. Even though ikanta, but it is sarvadhataka pit nitvat. Therefore, just to join sunu. Ukara of shnu preceded by a conjunct or non-conjunct.
None.
No conjunct.
Therefore, ukara of nu, shnu will be replaced by
Yeah. Va.
yan. Vakara will come. Therefore, sunvanti, chunvanti, shunvanti. Understand?
Understand.
Why we do 6-4-87? Because angakaryam overrules sandhikaryam. Not parattam and all. Parattam also is there, but angakarya is stronger. And also this sutram has parattam compared to yan sandhi. Therefore, this sutram applies. Not 6-1-77. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. I think these two sutras let it sink. Then we will discuss further on the shru. So therefore, shrinoti, shrunutaha, shrunmanti, shrinoshi, shrunutaha, shrunuta, shrinomi. Here we have two forms. For that, another sutra is there. I don't want to load it with more information that we will see next class. Okay. So lat lakara we are doing. We have seen how shrunmanti has come. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What sutra is applied?
6-4-87. Yan.
Ushnu sarvadhatuke. And here we have two forms. Shrinvaha, shrinuvaha. Shrinvaha, shrinvaha. For that, sutram is there. What sutra? That sutra is there in the sutra, our list. I'll show you here. That we will see in the next class. Please see here. Yeah.
Oh.
Lopaschasyanyatarasyan voho. That sutra, 64107, we have to see. That we will see next class. Okay. So that's for first conjugation. I thought it is over, but not yet over. These sutras we can add. Okay. Stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavada. 6-4-77, 6-4-87. Remember, don't forget. Simple way, easy to remember.
Yes.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Thank you so much.
Vachasmati. Today is Grahanam.